Today we're going to be doing order of operations with fractions and decimals. I'm going to do the best I can, and please excuse any coughing. We're going to be separating our work into 2 columns. This is going to keep our work so organized and prevent a lot of mistakes that people make all the time. In the left column, we're going to have our ice cream cone order of operations work, just like we've done in the past. On the right-hand side, we're going to do scratch work for fractions and decimals. The reason we separate it into a different column is so that it doesn't get all confused and clustered with the order of operations work. So, please start dividing your work sections up like mine. You could pause the video if you want a moment. Okay. So if we look at number 1, I can see it's a short problem, but it's fractions. That's annoying. I agree it's annoying. So we have our 2 columns. I'm trying to get my pen to work. Okay, there we go. This is the ice cream cone side. This is the scratch work side. You don't have to highlight, but you can if you want, if you think it looks pretty. On the ice cream cone side, I see I only have addition and subtraction. For those, it doesn't matter which one comes first. You just can go left to right. You can even do your bubbles if you'd like. So I'm going to start with 3/8 plus 2/4. On the left side, I'm showing my little arrow to indicate what I'm doing for order of operations. On the right side, I'm going to show the scratch work. 3/8 plus 2/4 is 3/8 plus 4/8. That's 7/8. 7/8 minus 1/8. I have one more step to go. 7/8 minus 1/8 is 6/8. I could divide those both by 2 and get 3/4. So my final answer is 3/4. I'm going to shrink my work now so that way it fits in a little bit better. Okay. So on the left-hand side, I had all of my order of operations work, but it looks like I did all the fraction stuff in my head. That's how I want it. On the right-hand side, it's all of my scratch work. All right, I am going to go down to number 2 now. Set yours up. Go ahead and pause the video and see how much of this you could do on your own. Come back if you get stuck or if you're ready to review the answers. All right, I'm going to start with parentheses, which has this little multiplication problem in it. In the scratch work side, 2/7 times 14/3. I need to cross reduce. Seven and 14, I could divide those both by 7. Okay. 2 times 2 over 1 times 3 is 2/3. So I have 2/3 plus 1/3. 2/3 plus 1/3 is 3/3. Which is just 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. Let's jump over to number 6. Pause the video, try it on your own, come back if you're stuck or ready to go over it. Although there are parentheses in this problem, there's nothing to do in the parentheses. So we move on to exponents. 1/2 squared means 1/2 times 1/2. That's 1/4. Be careful when you're setting this one up. It looks like this. So it's like 2 0/4 plus 1/4. 2 1/4. All right, last one we're going to do together is number 7. Pause the video, try it on your own. Come back when you're ready. I'm going to start with parentheses. I'm going to do LCR. Keep it. Oops. Change it. Reciprocate it. All right, cross reduce. 8 and 4. I could divide by 4 to get 1 and 2. 6 and 3. I could divide by 3 to get 2 and 1. 2 times 2 over 1 times 1 is 2 over 1, which is 2. So 2 plus 1/4. This I just did in my last problem. 2 plus 1/4 is 2 1/4. Oh my gosh, I actually made a mistake. I'm sure you caught it. Let me back up a little bit. Right here. 2 times 2 is 4. I wrote 2 by accident. All right, 4 is the answer. Which changes my final answer as well. 4 1/4. Sorry about that. I know a hard part about this is going to be remembering how to do all of the different fraction operations. That's why you got to look at the board notes. So go slowly, go carefully, look at the board notes, and do your work like this. Of course, you could use multiplication charts. Keep going on the page. Thank you guys for watching.